wanting to experiment with tying a quilt instead of quilting a quilt. Well, since I really like the look still of machine quilting, I thought, how can I incorporate maybe some embroidery ties? You know, some cute little X's, what I'm calling kisses. This is kind of a kiss quilt. So to do this, I just threaded a little bit of thread. This is my Pearl Cotton DMC number 8 thread that I really like for quilting, hand quilting. And I'm just gonna make a cute little tie, and I want it to be extra secure. So I'm going to make sure that it is doubled up. I'm not knotting the end, I'm just not pulling it all the way through. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stick it back in. And I'm going to kind of hold that down now with this finger so that I can make sure I'm not pulling up my thread that I just threaded through. There we go. And I do have a camera kind of in my face, so this is looking a little bit awkward. So now I have one X, but this is a baby quilt, and I know it's gonna get washed and it's gonna get loved and it's gonna go through a lot. So I am going to secure everything double time, and I'm gonna go back, not exactly where I originally went through my fabric, but very, very close to that same spot. So I'm basically back stitching, but by hand. Okay, I'm pulling it tight every time, kind of going through there. Okay, so now I have this little tie, but let me flip it around and we'll look at the back. Okay, so what does the back look like right here? You'll see I have two little, let's get really close here, two little back stitch areas. Well, with these extra little bits of thread, I'm just going to simply double knot them. So I have one little tie in the back. I'm gonna double knot that really good and tight. And I'm not gonna trim it all the way down because I want it to have a little bit of give. Also, I kind of like that texture of that tie look. So you have machine quilting and you have kind of these cute little embroidery X's, but it's also really nice and secure in the back. Kind of a fun little texture technique to add to your quilt.